The angel is a nice easy string figure that comes from cup and saucer. So if you know how to do cup and saucer, this one should be a cinch. To do this string figure, you're going to need a small loop of string to start off with. So I've just doubled mine over. And you want to hook it on your thumb and little finger. And then start with opening A by picking up the palm strings on both sides. Now with my thumbs, I want to go over the near pointer finger string and then under the far pointer finger string and pick it up with my thumbs. So over the near, under the far, and pick it up. And then if I rotate my hands this way, you should see I have 2 sets of strings on my thumbs. I want to get that lower set of strings off. So I'm just going to do that by picking it up with my pointer finger, taking it up off my thumbs and then dropping it off my pointer finger too. And then if I release my pinkies, I'll have cup and saucer. And if I rotate it the other way, it'll be upside down from that view. But here, you've got this little hole. You stick your ring fingers through that hole, that will become the angel's head, and there you have your angel string figure.